Hey guys, this is Nicco from Nicco's Railfanning. I'm wishing you all a happy new year. Now we're going to be looking at railfanning for the past year of what I've caught in 2019. Started railfanning back in June, and ever since then I've caught amazing things. So enjoy this video. And I'm also going to have some of my friends who I railfan with telling you guys how railfanning has been for 2019 for them. And I'm just going to say right now, thank you all for the support. For the amount of subscribers I have a good amount. A lot of people like my videos. I've made many friends just from railfanning. It's a very good experience, and railfanning is something that I really love to do. And it is something I will hopefully always do. And railfanning is something that's very fun for me. And whenever I have the chance to do it, I do it. Railfanning is amazing. And any of you railfanners who are watching this video, you know it is. Because if you're a railfanner, you obviously know railfanning is good because you watch trains. You know, you take videos of them, take pictures, see videos online, catch things that are either rare or something you never caught or something that you just don't see too often, pretty much like something rare, but you don't have to call it that. Also, this is a face reveal if any of you have never seen my face, but I'm so happy that railfanning has become a thing for me because ever since I started railfanning, it's been amazing. I mean, ever since the day I started railfanning, it was something that just felt amazing and something I knew that would be my thing to do. Because my whole life so far, I haven't really had that one thing I would like to do and that I would do often. But now that I have railfanning, I do it like once a week. And whenever I have the chance, sometimes I do it more. But sometimes I don't really usually do it too much. I used to, but not really anymore because, you know, I don't want to go too crazy. But I do love when I do railfan because I'm with my friends and I can catch whatever I can. And I've already caught some crazy things, especially what I just caught the last day of this decade. That was my newest video, Port Jefferson to Jamaica, with that engine leading with the C3, and the last car was a bi-level for some reason. And it was a very cool catch, and it's already past midnight right now. I'm filming this part, so it's already 2020, so I would say yesterday I caught that odd thing, but for the end of the decade, today was a pretty good day of railfanning. Caught some good things, pretty regular, except for that first train I caught that I just told you guys about. But please just enjoy this video and enjoy looking back at railfanning for 2019.
Guys, Happy New Year, and thank you all for subscribing to my channel. By the way, I am Beast of LAR Photography. I am also part of Railstormers Rail and Aviation. Go shout out to their channel. Give them a lot of support because I am also part of their channel. So, also, thank you very much for looking and liking my video. And I also want to tell the new ones that new videos will be uploaded every week. And another channel you could go subscribe to is my best friend Nicco from Nicco's Railfanning. This video will be uploaded on his channel, so go shout out to him and check out the video. This new year was very great for me. So, without a further ado, Jay Smith out.
I want to say thank you to everyone that brought me into railfanning, and I thought it was a great year, 2019, and I wish you all the best in 2020.
Is it coming right through? It had to come right through. Hyde Park. I don't know.
What? No Hyde Park? 520. And they Clayport Scoot!
No. PTC.
Nicco. So like, this might be coming back.
He's never gonna talk to me again.
I want to see him. To everything. Thank you guys so much for enjoying my videos, and without all of you, I wouldn't have a channel like I do now, and I'm very thankful for it. Like I said, I started Railfanning in 2019, and ever since, it has been an amazing and fun thing that I enjoy very much. So thank you guys so much, and have an amazing 2020. Without further ado, I'm out. I'll see you guys later, and keep enjoying my videos. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel.